Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a form in ClickUp. Creating forms in ClickUp is incredibly useful for collecting information from team members, clients, or anyone else, whether it's for project requests, feedback, registrations, or any other type of data collection. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to create this form, as this will determine where all the form submissions are stored and organized. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard. Look for the Spaces option on your panel, which is where all your different workspaces are organized. Click on Spaces to view all available spaces in your account. Now, locate the specific space where you want to build your form. Once you've found it, click the plus icon next to that space. A menu will appear with several options, and from there, click on Form. This is what initiates the form creation process within that particular space. At this point, ClickUp will present you with several options for building your form. You'll see built-in templates designed for common use cases like feedback forms, project intake forms, order forms, job applications, or IT requests. These templates can save you time if they match your needs. However, if you want complete control over every field and question, you can click Start from Scratch. For this tutorial, we'll select Start from Scratch so you can see how to build a custom form from the ground up. Now it's time to set up the basics of your form. Input a form name that clearly describes its purpose. For example, you might call it registration form. Below the name field, you'll also have the option to add a description. This is helpful for providing context to anyone who will be filling out the form, so consider adding a brief explanation of what the form is for and any instructions they might need. With the foundation in place, let's start adding questions. Click Add Question to begin creating your first field. You'll see a variety of field types to choose from. Click on Short Text and then select Text. This field type is perfect for collecting simple information like names or titles. In the field name box, type full name, then click Create. Your first field is now added to the form. Next, click Add Question again to add another field. This time, click on Contact Info, then select Phone. This field is specifically designed for phone numbers and can help ensure proper formatting. In the field name box, type Contact Number, then click Create. This adds your second field to the form. Now let's add one more field to demonstrate another type. Click Add Question once more, and this time click on Signature. This field type is particularly useful if you need formal acknowledgement or approval from the person filling out the form. Input a field name that describes what the signature is for, then click Create. At this stage, you have a basic functional form with 3 fields. Of course, you can continue adding more questions if needed, depending on what information you want to collect. ClickUp offers many field types, including drop-downs, multiple choice, dates, file uploads, and more, so you can customize your form to suit virtually any purpose. And that's it. You've successfully built a custom form in ClickUp that's ready to collect responses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.